Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Go on Guitar, Ayra Starr with GIVEON here. This one is Last Heartbreak Song. If you want to learn this song, if you like this one, this is go time, because it's very easy to learn this one. And we have 4 chords, a very simple string pattern, and yeah, that's it. So let's take a look at this. You don't even need a cape on this one. You're going clean, and we're gonna play the D minor 7 first. That is open D, second G, first B, and first E. And I play a little bar there on my first fret with my index finger on the 2 strings B and E, and just add the second fret D and open G. There you have your D minor 7. Next chord will be G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. Alright, next chord is C. And that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is F. Of course, we need to have a bar chord thrown in here. So you bar the 1st fret, all strings there with the index finger, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And there you have the chord progression that goes from the beginning till the very end. We're gonna play 1 string around per chord, and we need to learn that, of course. So we can do that with the first D minor 7. You're gonna play down, clap, down, down, clap. Right? So that is how it goes. Down, clap, down, down, clap. The downs here, very simple, but the claps here, I suggest you play just thumb and hit the E string there. You don't have to kill the sound in the way that you clap all strings, because you don't have that much work going on with the strumming. So you want the sound to ring out as much as possible. So then you do the down there. Meanwhile, you do the clap and the sound rings out there during the clap. So you get some life going on here in the playing. So I'm using my thumb here to just lightly hit the E string, it's enough. So you do 1 of these string rounds per chord in the same order we learned them. It goes like this. So I promised a quick tutorial, and that it is a couple minutes. Ayra Starr's and GIVEON Last Heartbreak Song. All right, give it a try. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please show me that. A thumb up on this tutorial would make my day. So thank you so much, and play tuned.